Hi, this is Sun Info Technology. This is a English version for career guidance playlist. Okay, so today we can see the career guidance about your future. Okay, so first point of view, we want to get the good job in the good company based on the good role. Okay, so in this case you want to know the basics related of the infrastructure. Okay, so if you go to company, so if you go to any type of the company, okay, this companies are having a two part. One is a service oriented, another one is a infrastructure oriented. Okay, service oriented is the fully focusing on your job role, like your college degree as well as your higher education. Okay, for example, you can get the job, you can mechanical engineering, you can able to get the job in TVS company. Okay, either you are a supervisor or you are administrator, any type of the job you can get it in the TVS company. Or if you're related to automobile company, you can get the job because of your service is that mechanical. Okay, so same thing if you go to the textile department also, you can able to get the job, same role in our textile company because of your background is purely from the textile department. Okay, or else if you go to the any service based company like software development, means that is also purely for the software development, also purely from the service based. For example, you are very good in the .NET or you are well wished in the Java, you can able to get the job like a developer role. But this all the roles, whatever the previous I will tell you, all the thing it is depends on the service oriented. Okay, so each and every department having a different services, but the infrastructure is same for all the company. If you go to manufacturing company, means automobile company or textile company or software company, any company, the infrastructure is the same. So that is a very important. So what type of the infrastructure you can get the job means here, like network administrator. Okay, so the network, another one is a server administrator, server, third one is a virtualization administrator, virtualization, third one is a cloud administrator, fourth one is the fifth one is the security administrator. Okay, either you can get the job in network admin, server admin, virtualization admin, cloud admin and security admin. Okay, so today we can see the CCNA certification. Okay, CCNA, why we want to go to the CCNA certification is, it is the very basic level of the networking administrator role. If you go to company, so you can able to work in the network administrator means, so CCNA is mandatory. Okay, for example, okay, so if you go to the company like automobile company, okay, so the automobile company, so you have the production department. Okay, so you have the sales department, then you have the manufacturing department. So many departments, subdivisions are all the things are available. So if you go to the office work, each and every department having a dedicated users. Okay, that user is dedicated systems. Okay, that is the endpoint devices. So that endpoint devices you want to troubleshoot and you want to manage means, so you want to basic knowledge of the desktop level as well as the network level knowledge you want to know. Okay, so the desktop level, how you can able to configure the desktop, how you can make the desktop, as well as how to able to connecting one system to another system, means that is a small certification like A+ and N+ certification is enough for you. But if you want to troubleshoot your systems as well as your layer 2 devices, means, so that need for the CCNA. So CCNA is Cisco Certified Network Associate. Okay, so this certification is purely for the network administrators, whoever they are working in the network administrator. So CCNA is a very important certification. So if you get the job in the network administrator means, so this is the enough for your basic level. For what are the tasks you want to do in the CCNA? For example, so in this company you have the end device. That end device is connected to the switch. So you want to maintain the switch, and this switch is connected to the router. So you want to troubleshoot the router. Then you want to configure the routing protocol. So that router you want to manage the end to end. Okay, you want to provide the security, as well as you can take the backup, as well as you want to do the troubleshoot. Okay, all the type of the protocol configuration you want to do. Then same the layer 2 device like a switch. This is a layer 3 device, this is a layer 2 device. You want to manage and you want to troubleshoot the two devices. Okay, CCNA is, it's provide the certifications called Cisco. Okay, Cisco is one of the global levels company. So the global level company, they provide the CCNA. Why? Because of, if you go to the world, most of the 60% of the networking devices who is manufactured means Cisco. Okay, so that Cisco, they have the own protocol and own terminology you want to make efficient for your product. For example, you have the Cisco router, how you want to work with the Cisco router and how you want to work with the Cisco switch means, that two things you can learn in the CCNA. So CCNA is that type of the basic certification. Okay, so what type of the job role means? Network administrator. Then you can get the job as network administrator, network designer, as well as a desktop support engineer. You can able to get the job. You can get the cost means you can means salary 20k or 25k you can able to get. Okay, then second thing is, it is a new syllabus is 200-301. That is a new syllabus for the global certification. Okay, this certification, if you go to globally means, it is only for global level certifications. So 200-301 is a global level certification standard. So this standard is making for nowadays, it is automation, and second thing is security. So the new two topic is added in this new portion. Okay, so you want to do the task with automation and you want to do the security for the devices. Automation is like you want to you can write the script in your Cisco router. That script, it will do the automated work. Okay, so automated work, whatever task you want to do, you can able to do in this router. Okay, that is the automation purpose. Okay, security means you want to provide the authentication protocol like iRadius, okay, AAA protocol. You can able to manually configure that. So providing the security for the devices. Okay, this is a 120-hour duration. So this duration is very good for the finishing your global level certification. So this is it is around 23,000. Cost will come around 23,000. If this validity date is only 3 years. After 3 years, you want to write again the means you want to renewal your CCNA certification. Okay. So if you want to work in only networking core means, I will suggest to go to the CCNA certification. It is a basic level certification. Okay, so it is very helpful for your career path. Okay, for example, if you make a very good career path is, it is very good for you. Like to say, for example, most of the companies nowadays looking for the network administrator role. Okay, so you can choose this certification. Okay, so you can get the job for very good role. Okay, so you have any doubt, you can you can comment me. Okay, so you want you want to more explanation, I will give the explanation for you. This video I will making for my one of my subscriber, Ramakrishnan. So he is asking for me making the video to Tamil version to English version, so only I will make this video. Okay, thank you.